What I wish you had seen right before I started filming this was that first squirrel had come down the slope. He walked a few steps and then he'd just sit there and wiggle his tail around. Oh my goodness. And he'd walk a couple more steps. Actually, he'd hop a couple steps, wiggle his tail around, and hop a more steps and wiggle his tail around. I thought it was some sort of mating signal or something. It was kind of intriguing, and that's what I was trying to film. I gotta wonder, are we having a little mating ritual out there? You didn't see that there was another bird that flown by. Maybe this is the sex rooftop here. Instead of cat on a hot tin roof, we got bird and squirrels on a hot tin roof.